Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel and in this video we are going to solve square root x plus x minus x square root x is equals to 0 where x belongs to greater than or equals to 0 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with the today's video solution. So we can write x as under root x times under root x. So we can replace this and write the equation as square root of x plus square root x minus x square root x is equals to 0. If I'll take square root x as common, so 1 plus square root x minus x is equals to 0. So now two cases arises, either square root x is equals to 0 or 1 plus square root x minus x is equals to 0. So here we can write it as xy over 1 by 2 is equals to 0. So x is equals to 0 in this case. Now here we can find the value of root x as x minus 1 if while doing squaring both sides. So it becomes x square, and here we can use the very famous identity x square plus 1 square minus 2x. So x square, here is only x. So x plus 2x minus x square minus 1 is equals to 0. So if I'll take minus sign common, so x square minus 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. So we can use a quadratic formula here. That is x is equals to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here a is 1, b is minus 3 and c is 1. So minus 3 plus minus under root minus 3 square minus 4 times 1 times 1 by 2 times 1. So here 3 plus minus under root 9 minus 4 by 2. So 3 plus minus under root 5 by 2. So the value of x is 3 plus under root 5 by 2 or 3 minus under root 5 by 2. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned.